Step into the future of robotics, where humanoids are transforming our world. In 2025, these intelligent machines are reaching new heights. As we plunge into the future, China takes the lead in the race for humanoid robotic supremacy by 2025, as outlined by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. Imagine 2 to 3 state-of-the-art production facilities, a network of specialized enterprises, and visionary industrial development zones. Join us as we explore China's bold vision to reshape our world through groundbreaking humanoid innovation, AI advancements. Humanoids now learn and adapt, responding to complex human interactions with unprecedented intelligence, enhanced senses. With improved vision, touch, and hearing, humanoids navigate and understand their environment like never before. Agile mobility. Advanced designs and mechanics grant humanoids superior agility and balance, redefining what's possible in robotic movement. Healthcare revolution. Humanoids are becoming invaluable in healthcare, aiding in patient care, rehabilitation, and even surgery. Gear redefining the future of medicine. Versatility in industry, from customer service to inventory management. Humanoids are reshaping commercial and industrial landscapes with their unparalleled versatility. In 2025, humanoids are not just robots. They are companions, helpers, and partners in our journey toward a more technologically advanced world.